Guys, welcome to the video. Today, my name is Bryce Combs. I will be majoring in meteorology and I'm taking this communications class. So, today I decided to do a weather forecast since I am majoring into meteorology. So, first, we'll go over what is happening currently in the weather world today. So, we got some showers and thunderstorms across the Ohio River Valley, especially here in northern Kentucky and southern Ohio, where we are seeing this bow echo feature on this QCLS form and produce some low-end damaging winds. We also have some showers and thunderstorms along a outflow boundary, spawning storms here, but these storms are not going to be as severe as it will stop behind the outflow boundary. The outflow boundary is basically behind it is cool, cold air. But if the storms get close to the outflow boundary, it can start producing severe weather. I also expect storms to form here. You see this mesoscale discussion for flash flooding possible in Indiana, northern Kentucky, parts of western Kentucky, southern Illinois, and southern Indiana. So, also, there is a big severe weather setup here in the Midwest, producing a couple tornadoes as this storm, it is starting to get linear, allowing for the tornado threat to die down a little. But once the line gets more organized, it could start producing a tornado threat out in the Midwest. So, also, there is a little storm here in Virginia, Western Virginia, that is a little severe, producing some mini hail and some heavy rain with some downburst damaging winds. But we'll now be going to the weather forecast for the next couple weeks. The instability on these storms and the low-level jet will not be as good and as expected as today in the Midwest. We are experiencing a weather change. With that weather change, we'll be bringing a lot of rain, much needed rain, because central and southern Kentucky is experiencing one of the biggest droughts in April and May ever recorded. So, we'll play this loop. This is the GFS, one of the models on pivotal weather, and we play it out. You start seeing a lot of rain and a lot of storm systems start to move in. I don't expect much severe weather with these storms. Maybe some mesoscale days where maybe producing some damaging winds. Also, these storms will not be as organized, which is a good thing because we do not want severe weather to happen. So now we have the temperature anomaly. So this shows us the average temperatures over the next couple of weeks. So above average temperatures will be here for the next couple weeks, probably for a long time. At the beginning of next month, June, we have a high pressure over the Great Lakes, causing a lot of warmth to happen. And this could stop the raining pattern that we will have. But it is still very far out. This could change. So stay weather aware with this. And now we will be looking over the overall jet stream pattern, as this could tell us what the overall weather pattern is. So you see, there is a trough currently moving through, causing severe weather to happen across the Midwest. This trough will eventually move out. We could see some severe weather on Friday, but it doesn't seem likely though, because of the instability. We could also see some Tuesday. Tuesday looks more likely. Tomorrow and Wednesday look more likely to get severe weather, as the instability will be higher. Jet stream doesn't look like we will see any big severe weather events across the Ohio River Valley at least. But that could change as it is still far out. Now we will be going over the HRRR. The HRRR is a short-range model that will be telling us what will be happening over the next couple of days in a better way, in more detail as well. This is the current look at the Explorer. This is the line, and now it's starting to bow out. We could see some tornadoes embedded into this line here in the Midwest. Also, a lot of thunder tonight around the Louisville area, northern Kentucky, but that should fizzle out as soon as it gets close to the high river. Another round will come in, likely see some thunderstorms in the western Kentucky area near Paducah. And then tomorrow into Wednesday, we could see some scattered thunderstorms, especially the later part of Wednesday. Also, here's the 7-day forecast decorated. Tomorrow will be pretty warm, not as warm as today because of the clouds moving in and also the possibility of some rain in that night time. Also, Wednesday, increased chance of thunderstorms, causing the temperature to be a little lower than normal because the clouds and the rain will cool things off. Thursday, basically the same, lower chance of rain and thunderstorms. Friday, the greatest chance for thunderstorms, multiple rounds of rain will come in, and we could see some flooding with this because of the tracking of the storms. So stay weather aware of that. Saturday, a lot of rain as well, and it will be a lot warmer as we get into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, the beginning of next week. Weather is looking amazing besides the rain, but we needed this rain so much. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Stay weather aware.